Have you ever felt like no one takes your cough seriously, or that you can't explain how much it affects your daily life? If you feel invalidated, even though you know you have a problem, you're not alone. Unfortunately, this is a common experience for people who suffer from chronic coughing. This is precisely why we are developing tools that can help you track and measure how frequently you cough. We hear and understand how detrimental a cough can be to the quality of your life, and now you can collect objective data to support your experience.